Good morning, people. My name is Eddie Guillen. I'll be your tourist guide. We're going to talk about Isla Mujeres. First of all, sorry because I don't have a webcam, I don't have a camera, so you cannot see me. But let's start. Isla Mujeres. Culture or fun? Isla Mujeres is the best option since it is rich in history and has an endless activities. In a few years, Quintana Roo has become a great tourist region. It ranks third in the tourist region of Mexico. Isla Mujeres is a Mexican island in the Caribbean Sea, 13 kilometers off the coast of Cancun. It is a vacation destination known for its beaches, such as Playa Norte, and also for diving in the surrounding coral reefs. In Punta Sur, there is a lighthouse, the remains of a Mayan temple, and sea turtle sanctuary. It was called Isla Mujeres because there were many Mayan temples dedicated to the goddesses. Its warm and transparent waters are the perfect home for dolphins and turtles, and you can swim with them. That is one of the most attractive activities that you can do here. Isla Mujeres has the category of magical town. The main magic of Isla Mujeres is the good treatment and the tourist awareness of its inhabitants, which makes the stay of those who visit it more pleasant. The home of Mundaka Parrot. There is a place in the center of Isla Mujeres. There are a vestige of what used to be an agricultural and livestock farm known today popularly as the home of the Mundaka Parrot. It is a mystical place. Punta Sur. Another reason to visit Isla Mujeres would be to visit Punta Sur. This site contains archaeological remains of the temple to Ixchel, the Mayan goddess of love and fertility. It is full of history and has a beautiful view. A vacation in Isla Mujeres always sounds like a fantastic idea. Imagine, just for a second, enjoying incredible days by the sea. Let yourself be enveloped by the magical beauty of a place like Isla Mujeres and take advantage of all the wonders that this place can offer to you. Its beaches, its fauna, and of course, its history. Isla Mujeres is the ideal destination for a dream vacation. The weather will be perfect to delve into the underwater world, doing diving or some snorkeling tour. The weather will be never an obstacle within your plans. Have a good day and thank you very much.